Chafiri bafethu, hope nimnanda, hope ni grand. It's a boy Mzweshpa, and yeah, welcome to my second vlog. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button lapho ungakhohlwa like and comment. So it's a Monday morning, kuyabanza mfethu. It's raining outside. I'm just having a cup of coffee. So what I'll be doing today, I'll be having 3 rappers in the studio. But in the recorder on separate sessions. So the first rapper is coming now around 11, and then I'll be having the second one around 2 o'clock, and then the third one around 4 to 5, somewhere around there. So yeah, it's going to be a busy day vandaag. So yeah, relax. I'm about to cover on my sessions now vandaag. It's cold. So yeah, it's 11 o'clock now, so I guess our first rapper is not coming. Ngizamile kumtexta ngimtholi, he's offline. So yeah, I guess communication is key, and I'm just trying to build a movement with this concept, and I'm trying to open up like a studio time for these rappers with mabafika bangabhadali, just ngiba assist. I understand, but then it clearly shows that when you do something for free, when they labandu, they don't take you serious. They think as if maybe adlala. And trust me, I do like charge for sessions, and there are people that I'm working with in terms of good bafika bangabhadali, and they will tell you that studio time is very expensive. So if you still arrange a session, ungafiki and unga-communicate eyirareng leyo iyabhora, because it's not like I'm bored, yabo. After all, it's fine. I decided to continue with my project. There's this other project that I'm working on. So I was singing on that project. I was doing vocals. So yeah, I was just trying to mix the vocals and make them sound better, since funa ngibe busy nelanga funa liqhubeke, and I also need to finish up like umsebenzi lenginawo. So yeah, here I'm busy mixing my vocals, and as I wait for the second rap ukuthi afike, but then I'm thinking of contacting him now and tell him ukuthi sibone ukuthi singakhona ukuthi send session yethu ukuthi ibe a bit early. I'm cancelling the first one now, even if he might call me. I won't allow the session to proceed because imvula ithulile manje, akusana mvula, and yeah, angicabanga ukuthi sikhona sidingo sekuthi singamenda ukuthi angafike studio. So I'm cancelling the first one. It's somewhere around 12:30, and I'm still busy with the song. Ngicine ngiva ukuthi no man, ishota ngelverse. So how about ngibhale ilverse ngilifake lapha to just complete the song, because le ngoma ibishota. So this song is actually I would say a heartbreak song, but it doesn't mean that I'm heartbroken. It's just an idea that I'm trying to express kule ngoma. So il-chorus lithi ngicela mani ngimbona nimtshele ukuthi ngisamthanda. So I had to write a verse to make it actually make more sense and complete the overall idea of the song. Inkinga zami zaziwa nguwe, lokuphumelela kwami kwakubonwa nguwe, uwodali ngiyafisa ukwazi. Hey, this one would sound better with the backups. Yeah, if I can lay on my backups ourselves. Where are my headphones, nigga? Uwodali ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngakwenzani ungakwenzani. We're doing the first take now, ne? So siyavaya. Inkinga zami zaziwa nguwe, dala ukuphumelela kwami kwakubonwa nguwe, uwodali ngiyafisa. Oh fuck. Okay, let's do it again.
Hey, he's not make sure. He's not make sure. He's a full kiss.
Inkinga zami saziwa nguwe dala uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngakwenzani ungakwenzani. I hope this take is perfect, but my vocals make sense if I add more of backups ukuthi uyabona ngwagcwala gcwalise. So yeah, this is the first take. Yeah,
Ukahlela. Nkosi.
Ukahlela. I'm giving tuxedo for you. Right now I have made a lot of at the club.
inkinga zami saziwa nguwe uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi. That's a backup. Ukuthi ngawe ungakwenzani. Inkinga zami saziwa nguwe uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi. Ukuthi ngawe ungakwenzani. Backups. First take of the backups. I hope I get them right though. Because I can't sing, but yebo. Siyayizama no. Let's go, nigga. Inkinga zami saziwa nguwe dala uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngakwenzani ungakwenzani. Inkinga zami saziwa nguwe uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngakwenzani ungakwenzani. Inkinga zami saziwa nguwe dala uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngawe ungakwenzani. For the last time. Inkinga zami saziwa nguwe uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngawe ungakwenzani. Inkinga zami saziwa nguwe dala uphumelela kwami kwabonwa nguwe wodala ngiyafisa ukwazi ukuthi ngawe ungakwenzani.
Oh my God!
Yo, what up? My name is Maran Kumalo. I go by the name Swain Steezy. I'm a rapper from Barberton. I'm here to represent. Yeah, I feel like it's a good platform, because everyone gets a chance to showcase his skill, and his qualities, and gain platform because
kuloma rapper lawa lasaqalile ashaya mfethu khona lo move ngathi angakuchallenge or njani.
angibafili dog.
Uyasho
Angibafili.
usho ukuthi bonke ba weak.
Angibafili nakancane.
Okay, right. Mfethu mina I'm all about having harmless fun. Let's just enjoy the session sibe on njaya. Welcome to Gaze Entertainment. Yeah. Uphanje mfethu volume yakho mfethu, this is a diss track. Give the energy of a diss track. See and be close to the mic. So yeah, we sound there. Am I sir? Punch mfethu, punch mfethu. Yeah, promise enjoy volume. Okay.
Yeah, whack rappers going to war about who's the best. Yeah, cricket's all annoying. T sneeze flash, no difference. Spine doing. Yeah, keep the drone warm. Got down. Here's in Polile. Yeah.
Let's go.
Whack rappers gonna warp out, who's the best? Y'all crickets all annoying, teeth, knees, flesh, no different, spine doing. Y'all keep the drum warm, go down, hlezi polile. Yeah, ngi-realest rapper like us. I don't check sounds, tanizama ukuzenza uzakwe ayichansi. Ngama-inas biza bonke faka uplasi and count them twice, funa usole mina mabe phansi. The whole city came.
Let's go. A full cut once. Night same energy, sir.
Oh, the session was dope, G. Professional.
Yeah.
Everything went well. Shout out to Gezi Entertainment. Shout out to Mzwa for calling me to the studio. Shout out, dog. Anytime I can pull up.
Yeah. So how's the quality? And how do you like how you sound? Like
Yeah, I like it a lot. It's I like the mastering, like everything.
Okay, shoot my head on a Kudmana, Ikam Chester 2-1 from Power 1300. Yeah, out in Jesus Stratini, Petutano of it. Shout out from Mama Gang and Machita and Pusha now. Shout out to Yumzwandide for a platform out there, Muskawi platform, which is calling good event and Machita said Ushin. So far, many on out here, so long as Stratini and Lashing, Paramisi flagging, Shaikasi about him. Yeah, he so far. It's not over that too.
Okay. So mara ufila njani le platform lena like lesizama ukuyicreate uyibona njani njengathi
yeah wona uthi amshuthi siyajabula that's why sipheka kudududeka then siyakhona nathi ukuthi no phela asingalahle out sichubeke because kune outlet sazama ukuthi usiveta uyabona since nathi singakhona ukwenda konke understand letinye into siyalekheka but ikhona out lefana namzwandile then iyazama ukuthi is platform sibonakale nathi simajita sekasi then kuthi siphinde sibonakale nakulabanye understand khona labantu utsandzeka kanjalo nalabo labangakatsandzeki siyakhona kulungisana sivalelana ngaphandle iculture ngiyathi yami.
Okay, ngiyakubamba. So maybe mongasibreakela nyana ukuthi usiphatheleni mhlambe since sisaka record inyalo ngathini yini mhlambe lokuexpressayo kulama line lo wabhalile noma lo towashaya.
Uthi I'm just ilana kuveta nje skin yana sokudlala nje ne-lyrically not something lengathi important that much ukuthi ilana ngiyafundisa whatever yes khona kukhona ukuthi ngiyabachela phoza yami but so far ngimalayi nje kudlala nge-lyrically so yabona nje ngiyout myself grounded
nami mshezimane manje ngiyabonga ukuthi namuhla mfethu ukhonile kwekela lo kwendawo lo busy nabo ukhona ukuthi ufike la lo kunethi imvula nani but into yethu la lokushinde ngifuna ukuthi nisukumele njengoba mina ngisengimrapper hip hop angathi ngalokuningi ngayo mara nami I'm trying to actually open it la njenge producer mina ngiyaproduce umsebenzi wami ukuthi thatha ivoice yakho ngibeke phansi nginde ukuthi sound kahle mama so I hope namuhla sidoba nelanga lelimnanzi and we're going to have fun. Thank you so much njalo.
Yeah, thank you salute. Hamesocha mawuthanda ungangibisa ngecommand business kangasekasa ngidlalila ngiyapatrol ngeza nge9 ngishanga 16 baba khatha fike ngescooter la le big thing ngicombalele le voice lela ngaphasi
Oh adlala
yeah
sorry
ngizama ukugibela ngiyabona ngishaya yeah example so ngashaka sure yeah sure Hamesocha mawuthanda ungangibisa ngecommand business kangasekasa ngidlalila ngiyapatrol ngeza nge9 ngishanga 16 ebaba ngikhathana angifikanga ngescooter kodwa bebuza ukuthi ngifele lapha ngifikise kwebofa liphume ngenkani kitchen sanokuthola kudlula lona khona la estradini bebasho mina amabathi le phandele jardini ngingumshayeli wabagibeli imali icala phambili nami nginama big dreams that's why ngivele ngiraphe ngibe serious vele usaluba ipen kudis mangibhala ngawiline soze wasinda noma ngakufaka coffee sebayaphakamisa ngathi ibone insimbi sasechaptini sasijini
Sure, forward.
yeah so ngasitshela mfethu nabacabanga bani
Come on, give it the beast and forward. Stage name Simon Israel so.
okay so usiphatheleni vandag nje
It's just a freestyle forward. It's just a freestyle nje ufaka icrown enhloko ukuthi
Yeah.
sisengimi.
yeah the crown is all make sure
Kahle kahle.
so yeah what do you think about this platform nje wona kwi-platform lenjani especially looking at the hip hop space like babathona ucabanga ukuthi i-platform lenjani
For rappers, you say it's a good thing to come get something like so, bro. Meaning I appreciate it. Platform like cool for cinema artists, the boom rapper,
sure
because hip hop like it's you say over. bese ihle over sekutumele okunye nje ama-genre mara ikhona in hip hop. So the platform le it's a good one.
Yeah, so we are actually taking hip hop to another level like us.
Kahle kahle. No doubt, with no doubt.
No stress and face. Welcome.
Sure.
Hopefully it was blessed and
I will try my best, my guy.
Yeah, sure. How was the session?
The session was dope, my guy. Dope. Thank you for the platform to keep this.
Did you enjoy?
Oh yeah.
How's the mic? Is it hot or is it cold?
Yeah, the mic is heated right now. The mic is flipping heated, bro.
Yeah, so basically there's no king. Mundi king e kaigu.
Good.
I'm glad you enjoyed. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, just show for it.
Yo, what a day. Isikhathi manje 9:30. I'm done, so yeah, it's 9:30. It's a Monday. I'm about to go and rest, so yeah. If you figure in the video to like the name, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, we're all about creating platforms for Machida, and we're just trying to push and make sure with everyone will totally chance in faith, because tinelabanye lama chance lawa ebasinisha mfethu. So if we've got access to actually make a difference, why not? So yeah, thank you so much bafethu, ngiyabonga. And yeah, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Ungakhohlwa like, don't forget to share and also comment. I think Vanya rest. Cheers, I love you guys. Danko.